Hey everyone, I'm Vadim. I'm a video tech specialist here at Nagios, and today we'll be covering how to install Nagios XI manually using Linux. This video will guide you through the process of setting up Nagios XI on a Linux server. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to your browser of choice and then type in nagios.com. From here, you can go to the products page and then go to Nagios XI. In here, there's a quick tour that you could click on here or get started for free. This form will ask you for your name, email, and some other information. After filling this out, your trial key will be sent to your email. And once you have that submitted, you're brought to a page where you could see virtual machines and Linux. We could either download the tar.gz file or view the installation guide. From here, you'll have some prerequisites, and you'll need terminal access. And all you'd need to do is enter in these commands. So let's go to our Linux machine and enter in those commands. First, prepare a Linux server or VM running a supported OS and version. You could refer to the OS Compatibility Matrix linked below for full details. Now we'll run the following commands as a root user. cd --tilde. Then we could enter in the command to download the tar file, which would be wget https assets.nagios.com/downloads Nagios XI xi-latest.tar.gz. Once we have that downloaded, we want to extract this tar file, which we could find in here using the command tar xzf, and we see that the file name is called xi-latest.tar.gz. Once that is done, we could see that we have a Nagios XI folder. We'll cd into the Nagios XI folder, and in here we want to type in /full install, and we'll click yes to install. And it'll ask you to enter in some passwords. You can make a custom one here or press enter for a randomly generated password. And once it is done installing, you could find a URL right at the bottom where we could put it into our browser. So we could open up a new tab, and now we could enter in the IP address into the browser. And then we'll click Access Nagios XI. Here we get a choice. If we have a license, we could click this option, or if you wanted to start for free, you could click this option. Then press Continue. Next, it'll ask if we have a home lab, we get a limited license, or a commercial evaluation with a 30-day trial. We'll click on the Home Lab Limited option and click Continue. Then it asks for our name and email address. And now we click Get Free License. Next, we get to choose our theme, whether we want the new Neptune theme or the classic Modern Dark theme. There's also other themes that you could choose from over here. I'll go with the default option of Neptune. Now we could program our URL. This is going to be the default URL that you'll be accessing when you're going to Nagios XI. Then we'll adjust the time zone, language, and you can enable HTTPS by using this checkbox. Then click Continue. Then you have our Nagios admin username. Then we could create a password on the right, or we could just generate one right here. We could also edit this full name, which is the Nagios admin. And we have the option to change the email address. Then click Continue. Now, if you wanted to, you could set up notification by clicking this tab, or you could set it up later. Then click Continue. And the last step is the summary page. Look over all this information and make sure it's correct. If you need to make any changes, you could click this back button to go and change any other settings. If everything looks good, press Finish Install. Once that is done installing, now you have your username and password that you've created, and you could click Login to Nagios XI. And then we'll enter in the username and password. And we have a license agreement, which we should read through and click Understand and Submit. And now we have Nagios XI fully up and running. And now you have Nagios XI running on your Linux server. You can now use wizards to add in all your hosts from your network. If you enjoyed this video, consider checking out our YouTube channel for more helpful content. And if you need further support, visit support.nagios.com. I'll see you in the next one.